Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon.
In this tutorial, you will learn how to use Face ID on an iPhone. Face ID is Apple's flagship biometric security for unlocking your phone as well as authenticating features like keychain passwords. If you have an iPhone that supports Face ID, you'll be offered to set up Face ID during the initial setup of your phone. But here's how to do it at any time of using your phone. You'll need to have a passcode set for your iPhone already, and will be asked to create one if you don't have one just yet. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode. If asked, enter your passcode. Tap Set up Face ID. Hold your phone in front of you and move your head around in a small circle. Do this until the circle around the camera has lit up green all around. After the first setup, you'll be asked to do it again. Gently move your head to complete the circle for the second time. Tap Done. Now, whenever you are trying to access your phone, all you need to do is look at your phone to unlock it. In the settings, you can also access additional settings such as requiring attention for Face ID, or voice control of music without unlocking your phone, and much more. Overall, Face ID is not only more secure but also more reliable compared to Touch ID. It is considered as one of the strongest biometric systems available across all the manufacturers, so recommend that every person utilizes this feature. Do you have passcodes on your devices?
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.